Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to make popcorn. Okay, here's corn, water, pressure cooker, and some spices. Flame on, full high. Put your pressure cooker. Add some oil. Here goes the oil. Okay, that's enough. Now put some turmeric powder. Okay, don't give a fuck about whether the oil is hot or cold. Just put 2 full plates of popcorn. One thing you have to do is just stir. Okay, stir it until the popcorn pop out. Okay, stir it, just stir it. My English might be little poor because my English was born in Nepal. Okay, just do it, just stir it. Okay. Stir it until my popcorn is born. Stir it continuously. It might take 2 to 4 minutes. Stir it until new popcorn is born. Okay. Just stir it. Okay. See, now it is going to pop out. Okay, now it's time to close the lid. Okay, just put the lid over and wait patiently like me. Okay, you hear the sound? This video will be very benefits lazy people. Okay, just wait it to pop. See, popcorn are popping. Okay, just wait. Okay. When it is nearly full like this, grab the cooker. Okay, done. Then again close the lid. Repeat the process. Okay guys, repeat the process. You will be amazed. Okay, repeat the process guys. Just repeat the process. Okay, repeat the process. Okay, it's already finished. See, cooker of this size can make really large amount of popcorn. Okay, bye, goodbye. Congratulations lazy people.